This is George at Nielsen Marine Center in Lake Villa. Just want to show you the new Platinum Series audio by Sea-Doo. It's new for this year. Very attractive looking. It's plug and play. It doubles your power. So it's 80 watts per side, plus a new speaker for each side as well. It's really incredible. I've been playing music my entire life, and I was completely blown away, and it absolutely sounds amazing. It's just over $800 plus installation, and I will tell you this, you will absolutely love it. It's worth every penny, if not more. So what you're gonna get is you're gonna get a little bit upgraded look to it. Kind of matches the X series stuff a little bit better. It's got this little highlighting in here. It looks very similar to the stock, but it absolutely tells you that, hey, you've got the premium audio in there. Amplifier is included. It's a digital amplifier. It goes into the stock compartment on the left side here. It absolutely sounds amazing. If you like to crank your tunes and you want to stay clear and loud, no matter if it's dance music, house music, rock music, country music, it sounds incredible. You will not be disappointed. I'm gonna play a little something for you here. I'm sure it won't do it justice, but it will when you're actually listening to it yourself. Stop on in. We'll be happy to play something for you.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Silent, violent, living it up in the city. Police and the firemen, I'm too hot.